the YouTube channel of your English Gurus. I am back again with an interesting set of videos. I am going to tell you something that is really interesting and very helpful for you in your speaking part. I am going to tell you about determiners. Determiners are a few words which are very easy, simple and very interesting, but it's always confusing where to use which determiner. So I am going to give you the meanings, the usage, and also will be discussing some sentences where you can use that particular determiner. So let's get started. The first two determiners which we are going to talk today are few and little. Few and little both have the similar meaning, that means something that is less. Few and little both mean something that is really very less. But where do we use few and where do we use little? That's the trick. Do you all know what are countable nouns? Something that can be counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something that can be counted like this is your countable noun. And something that you cannot count, that is impossible to count, that is your uncountable noun. An example of countable noun can be pens, boys, girls, pencils, candies. And example of uncountable noun can be sugar, salt, rice, your hair, anything that is just impossible to count. So, why am I telling you about countable and uncountable noun? Because that's the trick. Whenever we are speaking about countable noun, the determiner that we use is few. And whenever I'm talking about uncountable noun, the determiner that I use is little. Now you got the usage? Now let me pick up a sentence. There were a few candies left in the jar. Here I'm talking about candies, and candies are countable. That's the reason I'm using few before candies. Now the next sentence. There was a little water in the jar. Water is something that I cannot count. I can never count water. Water is uncountable, and that's the reason I use little with water. Now quickly drop in the comments some of the sentences which you can make using few and little, and I'll really appreciate and also acknowledge it. In case you like this video, you like this topic, quickly hit the like button. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you still haven't subscribed to your English Gurus, and hit the bell icon to get instant updates.